Welcome back to Minecraft Ask Gaeilge. This is episode Shocked, episode 7, and I'm just over here. I found this group of horses a long time ago, and I wanted to see if there were any good horses here. And I don't know if this changed in an update, but they are really stubborn. This guy took like a whole stack of sugar. I want to quickly talk about. I should have done this before, and I don't know why I didn't. But God, and they make annoying noises now too. Does sugar not work anymore? Am I wasting my time? Seriously? I'm gonna have to look that up. What the hell I just throw out? You're not taking carrots. Okay. I wanted to quickly talk about. I did a quick YouTube search. Maybe I had done it a long time ago and never really saw anybody, but I guess there are people out there doing Minecraft series Ask Gaeilge, which is really cool. In no way am I in competition. By all means, check those guys out. I'm going to soon. I haven't yet. They may be more professional. They may be more entertaining. I am not kidding when I say there's going to be a definitive lack of... Like, really? This guy is taking a lot of sugar. Anyway, there's going to be a real lack of professionalism here. Wow. That's... What was that? 3 stacks of sugar? Okay. That must be buggy then. I might not... Oh, wait a minute. How do I have that sugar back now? Oh my god. Anyway, so yeah, check those guys out. See if they do a good job. I'm going to check them out. I'm not going to recommend one person over another, at least not yet. You know, if they become friends with somebody, and I might recommend them. But yeah, I mean, right now I'm just gonna check out their channels. I don't necessarily. I'm not looking to steal ideas or anything, but if they I don't know, maybe they speak more Gaelic, which would probably be nice. This is really going to be a beginners. Wow, what is going on with this? This is going to be a beginner series, so there's going to be, unfortunately, a lot of English. Yeah. Also, again, as I mentioned, I kind of broke down the fourth wall, and I'm kind of recording these in a batch, and then I'm going to release them on a weekly basis. Be my friend, horsey. Come on. An Capall, by the way. An Capall horse. Oh. Really? Oh, look. Okay, hang on. Something's not right here. I just got all that sugar back. Anyway, let's pretend that is working. So we had... I went to an Irish festival today. I've been to it before. This is maybe my 6th year going. 6th year going. And, it's a lot of fun. If you have the chance, and there's one near you, go to it. It's a great time. It really is. So check it out if you have one near you. They really are lots of fun. I don't know what's going on. I was kind of mentioning confidence in speaking a language before. And I got a little bit of confidence today. I attended one of the Irish sessions that they do at the festival, and there really wasn't anything to it. I mean, what can they do in a quick half hour or so with a bunch of people who may have been drinking and having too much fun, and I really want to be at one of the other tents listening to music or something else. But there was one guy. He had said, I guess his grandparents used to tell him "Echtenish," and my ears perked up because I was like, I know that. I learned that. It means quiet now. I mean, listen now. But the guy said quiet now. And I'm like, huh? So I was like, oh man, I guess I didn't know it as well as I thought I did. But the guy leading this presentation said, Esht actually means listen. So they said listen now. And I was like, yeah, I got it right. Cool. I think I mentioned in the last episode, you watch a lot of, like, if you watch some Irish series, it's obviously it's going to be very different because there's a bit of slang, So, like, I was watching Africa, actually fairly recently, too, and I heard the word anish, but I heard just nish. So, obviously, the A kind of dropped off, I guess, so that might be a bit of slang. So it's really cool to, as I get more confident in my vocabulary, I can pick up on some words like that. So I knew that niche really meant a niche, but it was slangified. So another reason why you shouldn't feel discouraged when learning Irish. There are chances you do not know English words. What would the correct word for slangify be? I don't know. Who knows? So, you're not going to learn every Gaelic word there is. You're never going to be a perfect speaker. So, that's kind of what I'm getting at with this series, and what I want to do for myself is I'm just diving right in and speaking. It's the only way I'm going to get better, right? Practice, practice, practice. So, I hate this horse. I'm going to have to disconnect this session, I think. I'm not going to do that, but unfortunately it's going to make for some really boring video. Oh god, I was just trying to think of the plural of Capall. I don't know it. Well, alright. So, yeah, I wanted to show more features in Minecraft here to viewers who aren't familiar with it. So, you do get the wildlife here. So these are wild horses, and basically all I'm really interested in is if they're any good. Are they any? Because I want to breed the perfect horse. So you can tame these wild horses, and then you can breed them. And I'm sorry if I move the mouse too much. I know I kind of do that. So yeah, the way you used to tame them was with sugar. And that does not seem to work anymore. Or maybe just because something's bad with this session. Because that sugar keeps reappearing in my inventory. Which is not good. Maybe another quick thing I wanted to talk about is, you may have already picked up on it. But sometimes I say Irish. Sometimes I say Gaelic. It's really interchangeable. Gaelic is really more the language family, so you can have Irish Gaelic, you can have Scottish Gaelic, things of that nature. So, usually I just try and say Irish or Irish Gaelic just to kind of be a little redundant, to be more specific and say Irish Gaelic. Because there are some slight differences. But recently when Scotland wanted to declare independence from the UK, they had the slogan Alban Abu. And I knew what it meant because it was Gaelic. I mean, it was Scottish Gaelic, but there wasn't that much difference from Irish Gaelic. So that was pretty cool. Especially to see Gaelic on a worldwide stage like that, it was pretty cool. I guess that's going to be it for this episode. I might end it a little earlier since apparently this horse breeding's not working. But, I think I'm actually going to stop with my sessions for today and pick up recording some other time. Slán agus ihe